What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, back with another update on Project Mustang. So we're gonna go check out phase one of this rehab project. In case you guys didn't see my first video for Project Mustang. Project Mustang is actually my first home, my first piece of real estate that I ever bought back in the year 2000. I actually finally got possession of the home again, and I'm in the process of rehabbing that home. So we in phase one, I painted everything. So I didn't actually do it myself. I actually hired a team of painters, and I'm going to give you guys the rundown on my projected expenses for this rehab, and then we'll take a look at how well they did on the paint job. All right, so this is Project Mustang update number 2. Will Motivation. Subscribe. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate. We're back inside the house. Project Mustang. Project Mustang. We got it painted up. It's a little dark in here. Hopefully you can see it a little bit, but we took all the trim from wood to white and got the walls painted up with my signature color. If anybody wants to know what this color is, it's called, what is it called? Worldly Gray. So anyway, what's my budget for this project? Let's talk about the budget. We'll run down the list real fast for you. There's my flooring too. We're gonna put the laminate in here. Nice wide plank laminate from Lowe's. But anyway, so far we got paint so far. 3-level house. It's got a basement, finished basement. They had to paint that. Had to tear out some drywall. Also upstairs, they had to paint pretty much 4 spaces up there, 4 bedrooms, laundry room, a couple bathrooms. Paint budget was $2,100, and I ended up spending $2,500 so far for paint, mostly because of the drywall in the basement. So $2,500 for painting the whole house. It's about a little over 2,000 square feet, about 2,300 square feet. Oh, we also painted the cabinets in the kitchen. I added an extra budget because I was going to actually do it myself or have my assistant do it. Let me see if I can turn the lights on. Still kind of messy in here. Came out great. I used a eggshell finish on the cabinets. So it's got sort of a low sheen to it, but you can still see the wood grain. So if you didn't know any better, you would think it was stained, but it's actually painted with eggshell. Very, very happy with the cabinets. They did that for me, included in that $2,500. So I saved $170, which is what I was going to charge myself to do it. Flooring. So my budget for flooring was $1,400, but it looks like it's going to be more than that. The budget is going to be for the flooring about $1,800. But my budget was $1,400, but we already got the flooring and I got a quote for it. I usually pay a little bit less for the flooring, but my main flooring guy, he's too busy. Yo. Oh, okay. Yeah. Good. How you doing? We got a dog coming in.
So this right here. This. Oh, yo.
So that's my help. They're gonna actually tear up the linoleum for me, and underneath that linoleum is some Luan, that little real thin subflooring that they put down under wood floors and stuff. They put some of that down. They're gonna tear it up for me. Good looking out, it says. So that'll probably cost me 150 bucks just for them to tear it out. So let's see. So my flooring budget was $1,400, but we're gonna spend probably $1,800. Carpet budget is $1,500. It'll probably run a little bit over, but I gotta get hardware for the doors. I'm going from all these gold fixtures to nickel, because you want the house to look new and up to date. So those fixtures, my budget for that would be $300, and I'm gonna do that myself. So there's no labor on that. Then I gotta do light fixtures. So my budget for the light fixtures is $1,000 to replace all of these gold light fixtures with nickel light fixtures. Let's see. And that's a total budget. That's parts and labor for the electric stuff. Then we got granite in the kitchen. So my budget for granite is $2,000 for the granite itself and the installation. We'll see how that comes out. Vanity tops, I got 450 bucks. That's sort of optional in the bathrooms because they're not in too bad of shape. I'm gonna replace all the faucets in the bathroom. That'll be about 150 bucks, 3 bathrooms. I'm gonna replace all the toilets. That'll be 350 bucks for the toilets. And I can usually do that myself or get somebody to do it for 100 bucks, put 3 toilets in. 4th bedroom. So I got a loft upstairs. It's a little dark in here, but I hope you can see it. I got a loft in here that we're gonna turn into a 4th bedroom so we can maximize the rent. It was an option when I built this house to turn this into a 4th bedroom, but I didn't do, I like the loft, and but we're gonna turn it into a 4th bedroom, and that budget is $700 for framing drywall. There's no electric necessary. I have to get a couple of doors, like a closet door and a door to get in the room. So $700 for that. HVAC, my budget for fixing the heating and cooling system was $1,000. Turns out, maybe a couple $100. It just needed to be serviced and cleaned out. So I think I might have dodged a bullet. So my total budget was $11,000. So it may go over, hopefully no more than about 1,500 bucks, but that's my budget. 11 grand for this rehab. Paint's done. Now something else that's optional that I think I am gonna do is I'm gonna change out all the sockets to white. They're all discolored and stuff now. I'm gonna change all of these. The sockets and plates, I don't know how much that's gonna cost me, but a socket is like 60 cents or something like that. $1, so maybe 150 bucks. So looking good, looking good. I gotta do some caulking, you know what I'm saying? But I'm happy with where we're at. I gotta do a little bit more clean out. Then we'll get in here, put some carpet down, and we will be good to go. So I'll total up everything for you guys. You can check that out in the description as well as right here on the screen. Project Mustang coming along. It's gonna be real nice, real nice. Paint job was on point. Happy with it. Yeah. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.